Hello, trading is closed on October 30th, 2014, and I'm Jeffrey Tennant. Let's change the order of the analysis around a little bit today and start with today's intraday calls. Early in the day, mejt said ultimately higher prices would print, which they did. The minimum target was hit immediately, but there's no requirement that we stop at the minimum. In the afternoon, it gave a buy signal. The S means it was strong. The 3 gives the reason. So those calls did work. We still have a call from early in the day that most of this rally is a false move and will retrace to 1979.05, most likely by early Monday. And that's the call for tomorrow, a target from the mejt system of 1979.05 by early Monday. Now let's look at some other things. I said yesterday that unless we promptly took out the day's high, this was a negative pattern and a possible reversal formation. We took out the high, but it wasn't early, so I'm still looking for a reversal here. It would be a lot clearer if we hadn't closed over the high, but the move over the high came so late in the day it has a good chance of representing weak hands. Let's go over what everybody needs for tomorrow. If you're a bull, you realize that this is a pattern which usually ends at the day's high, and when it fails to end at the day's high, it usually leads to a significant drop unless we have a gap over the high. So if you're positive on the market, you want a gap over that high. If you're negative on the market, you want a reversal pretty quickly, and you'd like to see this high hold. If it holds, you will recall we measured the distance from the time of the Fed announcement to the low, took the same distance and gave us a typical target for the high of around 1993 and said that this leg was typically larger than this leg. So we've accomplished that much. If this high holds, we take the distance from that high to the time of the Fed announcement, subtract it, and get a downside target of under 1963. So the call for tomorrow is the opening is critical. If we promptly take out today's high, the rally could continue, but if not, we should see a significant drop with targets of 1979.05 and also of trading under 1963, not necessarily all in a day. I would be kind of suspicious if we didn't get a significant move at the open, most likely a gap in one direction or the other, which will clarify the picture. And that's today's call.